Garudasana or the eagle pose. Stand erect with legs together, hands by the side, and look straight. Wrap your leg from the front, bending both the knees and maintaining body balance. Now, wrap the right hand around the left hand, joining the palms together. Release slowly in reverse order and repeat with the other side. In the final position, the entire body should be in one straight line. The legs, hands in the center of the body, and the fingers falling at the center of the forehead. If you were to draw an imaginary line in the center, the entire body should be in one plane. If you look at the side view, the back is completely straight and there is no tilting backward or forward. Try and stay in this asana from 10 to 30 seconds if you can. Initially, it is difficult to maintain balance, so we can practice the hand and leg movements separately for a few weeks till we can get into this pose. To do this, just wrap the legs around, join the palms together and stay there for a few seconds. Release and alternate the legs and again stay there for a few seconds. After that, stand straight and only wrap around the arms. Then, alternate the arms and repeat. Try and stay there for a few seconds. By practicing this asana, the hands, legs and joints become strong. It develops the ankles and removes cramps in the calves and the leg muscles. In addition, it helps to remove shoulder stiffness. There is no specific reason why you should not do this asana, but be careful and not do something strenuous or if you have any severe problem.